This is a small tutorial on how to download the Webull app. First, let's come to the Safari. You're gonna go to Webull. And then you go to download. And for us, I have a MacBook. If you have Windows, Mac, or Links, I have Mac, so I'm gonna download the Mac for the desktop. And it's downloading here. So in just a minute, there we go. I already installed Thinkorswim. That's a great app. Webull. Of course, eventually I'm gonna send it all of the platforms that I use for my trading and investing. Okay. Now I have the actual desktop icon right here. Let's open it up. As you can tell. And we can open it up right here. And let's open it. There you have it. That's how you install Webull on your computer, and it is a very great platform to do a lot of trades, investing. I use it for trading currently, but we'll get more into that a little later. I just wanted to show y'all how to download the software for at least one of the trading platforms that I use.